This is a job on the Audi TT 1.8T that I've had a little bit of intimidation over. So I'm showing you how I deal with that and how I prep for the job. This is the cam chain tensioner right here. It holds this chain tight between the two cams, and I'm going to replace that. So what I do is I look up every video that I can find on the thing, and I put them into a playlist, and then I watch them. And then on this side, I have a Word document. And I guess in the past, I've used manuals, like service manuals, to start with, a basic general, or I made up just my own step-by-step thing. But this time, I used ChatGPT, specifically telling it to use my VIN number to give me a procedure, and then it gave me wrong information several times, and I had to keep going back to get something that was exactly for my model, which is important to check what it tells you, because it wants to give you fast facts instead of correct facts a lot of times, which kind of helps because you learn the right questions to ask. So anyway, I did that, and I took down good information that I knew was true, like where the intake manifold, or where the front intake cam was in the front. And that's the one I'm going to be loosening. And then, how to set the top dead center. I put in some photographs of key items, like lining up for the timing, and I put in my own comments marked with my initials, and then just kind of keep going down through the procedure. And as I watch people do it, I make little notes or other questions and go back and research those things, and it just starts to make it easier in my mind, and identify things that I'm not too sure about yet, and then find more information about those. So there you have it. That's how I do that. And I have 4 videos left on this one before I go through and finalize my document. And then I'll use this document, and I'll have these videos saved in another playlist to go back to if I need to. And I also make note in these